Welcome back to Scott Family TV. Today we're going to try some fried ribs. Not oven baked rib, but just fried ribs. We have our ribs right here, and I have cut some already. I left this to show you guys how to cut it. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 bones. You can go between the bones, or if you want it bigger, you can do every 2 bones. But I'm gonna do the 1 bone, go in between every one bone, and you just cut it like so. With a sharp knife to cut it. And there you go. And there's how your ribs look, nice and cut. And right now we're gonna put it in the sink. Make sure your sink is very clean. I've cleaned my sink real good. I'm gonna put it in here because I'm gonna wash it. I'm gonna wash it with some I have some apple cider vinegar and lemon and then some salt. We're gonna try washing it. I saw this video on Gina Young website, and all she said is you pour the vinegar all over it like this, and then you just take your hand and just rub it all over and get it all over. She said it adds good flavor. It clean it, it helps clean it, and then it adds good flavor to it. It smells good. That apple cider vinegar smells real good. It smells real good. And all you do is rub that apple cider vinegar all over your ribs. Get in there with your hand and get it all over. Get it nice and clean. There you go. Get it nice and clean. Massage it to help tenderize the meat too. And then we're going to take some lemons, and we're just going to squeeze some lemon all over it and rub it all over the rib. Squeeze and rub, squeeze and rub. Yeah, just rinse it. And after this, we're gonna add some salt on it, and then we're gonna rinse it after the salt. I've got some salt on it, and it's not gonna be salty. The salt acts as a braiser on the meat. We're gonna rinse that off in a minute. You wanna use sea salt or kosher salt, whatever one you got. It'll be, just use whatever you got. Welcome back to Scott Family TV. We continue with this fried rib. I have rinsed it off the salt off, and I took a hand towel and I dried it, patted off, keep it nice and dry. The ingredients we're going to use today is we're going to use some garlic powder. Yeah, we're going to just sprinkle the garlic powder all over it. Use as much as you want. Don't be afraid to season your meat. You want it to taste good. And we're going to use some cracked black pepper. You can buy these little grinders in any store that got the pepper in it to grind on the top of the pepper if you want. And we're going to use some, I like onion powder. I'm going to use some little bit of onion powder. And then I bought this adobe. She said this is real good. This got all kind of different mixture in it. Give it all kind of flavoring. I'm gonna use one hand, and because I want to get all on the bottom. Smelling real good. Smelling real good, y'all. Woo-wee! My mouth is watering already. And you want to get it all over. Use a little bit more garlic powder down there. Yeah, get it all over all of them. One on the bottom. Pause it, huh? We continue back to Scott Family TV. As I season the rib, and I have flour. All I have is some regular flour. I didn't season my flour because I seasoned my meat. You can season your flour if you want, because this is your recipe. You make it your recipe. You don't have to make it mine. So all I'm going to do is dip it in the flour. As the grease is getting hot over there on the other end of the stove, you coat it real good. You don't shake it. Just coat it real good. I tell you, it's looking real good. I mean, it's smelling real good with all that seasoning and stuff. It is looking real good. You want to put a good amount, dredge these in the flour real good. Make sure every nip and cranny is floured. Yeah, that grease should be hot. And my pot over there, I got my cast iron pot on the other end of the stove. Nice, getting nice and hot. Let's see. Some flour in it, a little bit more. Oh yeah, that bad boy is getting ready over there. This recipe seems like it's a simple recipe. Wasn't nothing hard about it. Once you get everything together, wash your meat and everything. I can almost taste this rib right now. And there we have it. We have it there. And we about to. You don't want to throw it. You don't want to throw it in the grease. You just want to kind of lay it in the grease. I'm not going to put all of this in the grease because you don't want the frying to slow down. Put too much in the grease. You want to put about half of this in there. We're going to get them frying. And you just want to let them cook. You don't want to mess with it or anything like that. Just let it cook. And we'll be back in a couple of minutes to show you how it looks. We're back and we're frying the first batch of rib. As you can see, it's starting to get brown, that golden brown. You want it to fry till it's nice and golden brown. I mean, this rib smells amazing as it's fried. Look at that. Look how it's getting nice and golden brown. We'll be ready to eat this in the next 7 to 10 minutes. Thank you, guys. All right, we're about to take the first batch of rib out. This should be nice and golden brown. Oh my God, look at it. This is fried, deep fried ribs. Look at it. Look at the texture on that rib. I'm gonna sit it up here and let the oil soak out of it. And all I use is, I like canola oil. You can use your vegetable oil, but I like the canola oil. So I use the canola oil. Look at this. Take a look at that. Look at that. Nice and golden brown. We're gonna eat this. We're gonna tear this up tonight. Look at that. And that is our first batch of our oven fried rib. It is hot, so I'm going to try to attempt to cut one of them open and see. Oh yeah, look at that. The juiciness, the crunchiness. Look at it. Look at it. Oh yeah. Nice, tastes real good. It's hot. Alright. We'll be back. It tastes real good. The rib, I plated it with my baby lima beans on a bed of white rice. And it is gorgeous. It absolutely tastes amazing. I wish you guys can taste it. Go try the recipe. Like I said, it's step by step. We'll answer any question about it. But give it a try and let us know how it is. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so you can get more video as we do it. Thanks for watching Scotch Family TV and have a blessed day.